Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
There's nothing quite so satisfying as watching a ship burst into flames. And I'm sure there are thousands of Houthi rebels who would agree with me. But in the 1940s, it wasn't a simple point-and-click decision. Once you found your target, you would set up your attack run. What you're looking for is a steady and constant angle of descent, the same release point, and approximately the same speed. This will give your bombs the same trajectory each time. In this example, because I'm coming in a little bit faster than usual, I release a little bit early. Unfortunately, I'm releasing just a little bit too early. The second attack run is identical to the first, except I release just a little bit later. The first lands short and the second one is a hit. Lining up for the next target, we're actually too low, and we're going to end up skipping the bomb unintentionally. And it's a very good method to attack shipping. So if released too low, bombs will also skip on the land targets as well. Again, your results will depend on doing the same thing in the same place every time. Check out the playlists on my channel and you'll see that how to ground attack will cover a lot of bombing techniques. For example, the Mosquito's 2 underwing bombs are not a factor when I'm attacking from the side. But these 2 outer wing bombs do create a bit of a problem when we're attacking longitudinally down a ship, because the bombs will fall on either side of the center point. Watch how I can put those bombs on the center line by dipping the left wing and releasing, then the right wing and releasing. Dip, release, center the aircraft down the target. Note that each one of those 4 bombs lands exactly down the center line of the target. Consistent practice will yield consistent results. Whenever possible, you're trying to do the same thing at the same time at the same place every time. This convoy is protected by a couple of naval vessels with heavy flak, so your attack run has to be precise and accurate. Not satisfied with sinking 3 ships with 3 bombs, I'm going to use my 4th bomb to kill the 4th ship. After you've made your attack run, you are in a low energy state and the flak can chew you to pieces. If on your attack run you're under stress from either fighters or heavy flak, then drop all your ordnance on the one target and get the hell out. Well, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.